Guys, so which one is better? Is this one better than the AT&T one, or is the AT&T one better? We'll have to find out which one charges better. But the thing that I liked about this instead of the other one is that when you put your phone on it, it lights up and it gives you a different color, so you know that it's charging. This one here from AT&T does not have the LED feature that does that, although there is a light, looks like, from the picture there. Let's see if that's true. I do not see that. Oh, maybe it's this on this side over here. There is a light over there which isn't turning on. Whatever. I don't know. I don't know. It's supposed to, maybe it turns on when the thing is fully charged. I just don't know how it works. Anyway, there you have it, guys. Whatever you like.
Likey.